Redbird. Right over the top of the perfectly executed formation move. The lead card is on the way. Here they come right back to show center from the left. Now watch Todd shifting from the right wing over to the left wing, flying a separate position now. These two have been flying together for many, many years. They were with the squadron. They didn't do air shows, they just flew in formation for proficiency. But when COVID hit, a lot of that stopped, but they decided they're going to keep it up. Pass. 3, 2, 1, pow! Steve Christopher, Todd Redbird, the team known as Undaunted. Now the trick is to rejoin. On our left, Todd in the stage. Back to show center. High end to the left, Steve Christopher and Todd Redbird. You guys fly with the Blackjack Squadron. Those people who've never heard of that, they don't do air shows. But here they go. They've got a visual head to head, left to right. 3, 2, 1, pow! The Undaunted team. Now in the stage. Steve and Todd, here we go. Over the top loop. To the right, going for altitude, building energy as they come back. You guys are as close as any team I have ever witnessed. Separating this time into what they call the twister. Straight up to the lead. Redbird. Head to head in the RB7, RB8, 3, 2, 1, go! Dodge Redbird, high over the top on our left. Here they come. Our formation move. Smooth and easy. One of the most difficult maneuvers you can do doing well. Next wings, Team Todd.